Hi, this is Lorena again, and today I'm going to show you how to create a new class, which is what you need in order to add students to the platform. If you're going to do so by using Schoology, Canvas, Google Classrooms, we'll cover that in another video. Now we'll go to Teachers Panel, then click on Class Management, and here we'll have the option to create a new class by clicking on the New Class button. Then we'll type in our class name. Then we'll click on Create, and we'll have already created a class. From here, there are 3 different ways in which we can add students, such as manual add, self-registration, or by using a CSV card or a spreadsheet. We'll cover this in the following videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.